Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ Chernarus. DayZ is a challenging survival game set in a vast, post-apocalyptic open world. Your primary goal is to survive against environmental threats, infected creatures, and other players. The Chernarus map is enormous, covering 230 square kilometers, offering diverse landscapes. Understanding these core mechanics is crucial for your journey in this unforgiving land. Upon spawning, your first priority is to find essential resources. Look for food, water, and any makeshift weapon. A sharp object, like a knife or can opener, is vital for consuming canned food. Avoid immediate confrontations. Stealth is your best friend. Move away from the coast, as inland areas often contain more valuable gear and fewer initial dangers, increasing your survival chances significantly. Effective resource management is key to long-term survival. Always monitor your hydration, energy, and blood levels, addressing any deficiencies promptly. Treat injuries with bandages and disinfect wounds to prevent infection. When facing threats, choose your battles wisely. Combat is risky. Learning to craft simple tools and temporary shelters can provide crucial advantages in the harsh environment, helping you endure longer. For advanced survival, consider establishing a secure base or a hidden stash to store your valuable loot. Mastering hunting and water purification techniques provides sustainable resources, reducing your reliance on scavenging. Collaborating with one or two trusted players can significantly enhance your safety and efficiency. Finally, venturing into military zones offers the best chance for high-tier weapons and gear, but be prepared for extreme danger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.